Welcome, let's jump into the magical world of kids' vital signs. First up, newborns. These tiny cuties from 0 to 28 days old have a heart rate of 100 to 180 beats per minute. They breathe really fast at 40-60 breaths per minute, and their blood pressure is around 60-80 for the top number and 40-50 for the bottom number. Their body temp, 97.7, 99.5 degree, or 36.5, 37.5 degrees. And oxygen levels, 95% or higher. Remember, newborns are like little rockets, fast and high. Next we have infants aged 1 to 12 months. Their heart rate slows a bit to 100-160 beats per minute, and they breathe at 30-50 breaths per minute. Blood pressure, 70-100 for the top number, 50-65 for the bottom number. Temperature is still 97.7 to 99.5 degrees Celsius or 36.5 to 37.5 degrees CC, and oxygen levels should stay at 95% or higher. Think infants are like little engines, steady and strong. Now let's talk about toddlers 1 to 3 years old. Their heart rate is 90-150 beats per minute, and they breathe at 24 to 40 breaths per minute. Blood pressure rises to 80-110 for the top number, 55-75 for the bottom number. Temp 98.6, 99.5 degrees or 37 to 37.5 degrees C. And oxygen levels still 95% or more. Toddlers are like little explorers, curious and active. Onto preschoolers, age 3 to 5 years. Heart rate 80-140 beats per minute. Respiratory rate 22 to 34 breaths per minute. Blood pressure 90-110 for the top number, 60-75 for the bottom number. Temperature is 98.6-99.5 degrees or 37-37.5 degrees C, and their oxygen levels remain 95% or higher. Preschoolers are like little artists, colourful and imaginative. For school-age children 6 to 12 years old, heart rate slows to 70-120 beats per minute. They breathe at 18-30 breaths per minute. Blood pressure stabilizes at 90-120 for the top number, 60-80 for the bottom number. Temperature is 98.6 degree or 37 degrees, and oxygen levels are 95% or above. School-age kids are like little scholars, learning and growing. Finally, adolescents, 13 plus years. Their heart rate is 60-100 beats per minute, and they breathe at 12-20 breaths per minute. Blood pressure ranges from 100-130 for the top number, 70-90 for the bottom number. Temperature remains steady at 98.6 deg or 37 degrees Celsius, and oxygen levels are still 95% or higher. Adolescents are like young adults, balanced and steady. So there you go, everything you need know about kids' vital signs.